today we're going to take a look at customizing your logo beyond the basics. Okay, customizing your logo traditionally would involve going into the logo area and changing your fonts. So you could change, for example, the color of your fonts, the size of your fonts, and also the font itself, which type style. Okay, but we're going to go beyond that today, and we're going to look at actually putting your own company logo, which you may already have, or just designing something for your website beyond what the way it comes standard. So let's actually back up one step and take a look on our tutorials website that we've been building. You can see here, this is the way that the website logo has been displayed, and these fonts have been chosen by the skin designer who created this skin. The name of this website is going to change slightly. We're calling it SiteSkins TV, which is the site we've been building, and so we're going to put the SiteSkins TV logo up there. Okay, so the first thing to do is click on logo, and this is why we have the blank logo image, which you see right here. We're going to go ahead and right click and save picture as to save this logo down to our directory where we're going to be working on this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here and do save. Okay, I've already done this before, so it's writing over it. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and open up Photoshop, and I've already gotten started a little bit on this, so we won't have to bore you with working on the logo. But here's what the blank looks like. Now you'll notice it looks a little bit different here, and that's because there are actually transparent areas built into the logo here. I'm going to go ahead and maximize this. Okay, so first what we need to do is we need to take some of these logo backgrounds will actually be set up as what's called an indexed file, and so they're not very editable. So what we're going to do in Photoshop first is go under Image, Mode, and then switch this to RGB color. Okay, so indexed color is difficult to edit and will look really blotchy and not look very well. So what we're going to do is switch that to RGB color so it's easier to edit. Okay, from here, if we were to turn off the layer, we can see that we have just pure transparency behind there. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open the file that I edited beforehand, which was based on this exact same file, as you can see here. So this shows the various things that I wanted to do here. I'm going to zoom in one click. What we did was we added originally this TV image. Instead, I actually like the skewed version better. Added a little bit to thicken the edge there, and we put in SiteSkins. We put in TV for the SiteSkins TV website and the online video tutorials. So these are the elements I added, and we now have our new logo. But in this case, I actually wanted to reduce the amount of load time that would be required, and since this material here is actually redundant with the way the natural background works in that particular skin, I'm going to remove that. So you can see that all of the top data is still here, but I'm just removing this background. It's a little bit difficult to see the SiteSkins there, but you can see it there. Okay, so now I'm going to do an export. Okay, I'm going to save for web, and I'm going to use ping. Let's see if I use ping. I think what we'll do is we'll use ping 24, which is going to give a very nice look to this. And actually, our matte background color. Actually, we'll use ping 8 here. And our matte background color has been somewhat matched to the way, the area that it will overlay on the finished product. I'll get back to that in a moment here. So we're going to use ping 8 as the output. However, you could use different, methods up here. This is just the one we're going to use today. I'm going to save that. I'm going to go to the tutorials, and I'm going to save this as new logo 2.ping, and then I'm going to go ahead and close this create file, and let's return back to our website. Now I still have the same screen open, and all we have to do now is browse and select the image that we just created, new logo 2.png, and do upload. Now it may look a little bit funny in here when we upload it. As you can see, it's overlaying white, so all the transparent areas are looking white because they're matching the background of the website here. But that's correct. That's how it should be. Let's go ahead and click finished, and let's preview the website. And now we have our TV, and we have SiteSkins TV, and that's the new logo. So that is how you can edit the logo area within SiteSkins. You can make a dramatic change to the way your website looks, and it's one of those steps that really customizes your layout. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and please, as always, let us know if you have trouble. Contact us through our support@siteskins.net email address, support@siteskins.net, or reach out to us on the phone. Thanks for watching.